Do you know that you can read and earn money from the online space? Amazing, right? In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 legal and ethical platforms where you can create your account, start reading and earning money. And the amazing thing about these 5 websites is it is available in every location except one. But you guys know how we do it on this platform, right? We have tricks that you can actually use platforms that are not available or not accessible in your location. So don't worry, I'm going to share these 5 with you and tell you exactly what you can do to access any of the platforms that is not available in your location. Hi. If this is your first time on my channel, you're highly welcome. My name is Claudia Fonguh, and obviously this is my YouTube channel. And on this channel, we talk about everything making money on the online space, excluding Ponzi schemes. So if these are the kind of content you love, please make sure you click on the like, you subscribe, and you turn on your notification bell so you will not miss out on any of our money making videos. These 5 platforms are ethical, legal, tasted, and trusted. So if you want to read and earn money, then you can start up with these 5 platforms. And most of them, you don't need any experience or any certification to start making money by reading. The first platform that you can earn money from as a reader is the 𝐷𝐔𝐘𝐒. And I especially love this one because it is associated with Amazon. You guys know when we talk about Amazon, it means there is a lot of money to be made. Actually, what is special about this platform is you can earn up to $200 hourly just reading books. Now let's take a look at the platform right here, 𝐷𝐔𝐘𝐒. Get your story in front of millions of audio book lovers. Now let's scroll below. I always love it when you take your time, go through it, the pros and the cons, and see if this is actually what you want to do. All right. Now, why 𝐷𝐔𝐘𝐒? As the all-in-one marketplace for independent creators will help you create your audiobook, reach a global audience, track your insights, and optimize your earnings. Like I said, you can earn up to $200 hourly on this platform. Now, the only disadvantage of this platform is it's available only in 4 countries. And my darlings, if you're not in the US, UK, Canada, and is it New Zealand, then you cannot access this platform. But it pays highly, which means that you can go around using a VPN to create your account on this platform and earn. The only thing is you would need a little money to be able to do this. So this specially is for my audience in the diasporas. If you're out there and you're looking for a side hustle, then 𝐷𝐔𝐘𝐒 is where you should be. If you're someone who loves reading, you're someone who loves proofreading and all that, this is where you belong. Just come right here. I'm going to leave the link on the comment section. Click on it. Go create your account. And when you're creating your account, make it enticing. Let your description and whatever you have to fill in your account be attractive in such a way that you would be able to make more money on this platform. Now, you can take your time if this is what you want to do. You come right here to get started. Now, for those of you who are already worried like, oh, Claudia, you started with something that is not available in my location. And you know, we're about to start making money from the online space. We don't have money to start buying VPN and all that. Don't worry. I have something specially for you all. And this one is available worldwide. Fiverr. A lot of you have heard about Fiverr, but a lot of you are still sleeping in the back bench. Why? Fiverr is right there and you can make money just reading. So right here on Fiverr, if you type in audiobook narration right here or narrator right here and you click on search, you're going to find some results of people online who want to read and earn. Now, I want you to take a look at this so you have a clue of what you're getting into. Audiobook narration. I will narrate your audiobook voice over for 𝐷𝐔𝐘𝐒, and his price right here is €46. This one right here is €136. And if you scroll through, you're going to see different prices set by these people. Now, the amazing thing about Fiverr is you can create your account and you can set the amount or the rate you want to earn or the rate someone will pay you for reading their books. That's the amazing thing about Fiverr. You create your account and you set your own rate. One advice I want to give you is when you want to start reading and earning money using Fiverr, when you create your account, do not set a ridiculous amount like 46 euro. When you set an amount like this, it's going to scare people away from your profile. Why? Because you're just starting out. So check what the other people, the other creators on Fiverr have, you compare with them, and you can break at midpoint. When you break at midpoint, when anyone is looking for your services, they would definitely want to pick you. Now, one thing you should do when you create your account is you can pay people to give reviews for you. Now, if you look right here on all these profiles right here, you will see 5-star, 5-star, 5-star. Do you think all of them actually have these 5 stars? No. A lot of creators go about to pay people little money. They can pay you $2 to come and to do a review for them. That is what you should do to put your profile up there. Okay, so create your account, find people, pay people to give you reviews. You can go on platforms like 𝐷𝐿. I will actually link the video right here. This is the video. You can go there, watch it, how you can create an account and set a task, maybe for people to like your videos, to give reviews to your profile, to comment, to subscribe, to follow and do things like that. That is what they do on the platform 𝐷𝐿. The video is right here. Just make sure you click on it, you watch it and know how you can do that. But when you get your profile, you need people to set a review for you or to give you reviews so that when people come there and they want to hire your services, they would know that you've been doing the work you are claiming to do. Now, I really love Fiverr, right? But the problem with Fiverr we have right here is everyone is on Fiverr. Your grandmother, your grandfather, your great-grandchildren, everyone is on Fiverr. So Fiverr is really saturated. It's a saturated platform, but it does not mean you will not be able to make money reading right here. There are other services that you can actually give out right here to earn money. You can even be a graphic designer. You can be a thumbnail designer. You can be a consultant on this platform. But today we are talking about reading and earning money. So what happens here is clients come over here and search for services. Then when they find you, they contract you and you're good to go. So if you look at Fiverr like, no, this one is too crowded, I don't want to belong on Fiverr, or I don't want to read and earn money on Fiverr, there is another upgraded version of Fiverr. And I know you all have heard about it, but you did not know that you can actually read and make money. The third platform is Upwork. Now, take a look at Upwork right here. Let's take a look at Upwork. There is a difference between Fiverr and Upwork. Now, instead of you creating your accounts like you did on Fiverr and then waiting for somebody to contract you, Upwork, what you do right here is you would see the different jobs are located right here, and then you can click on it and apply on it. So it's like a twist on the other. The other way, you actually create your profiles, set your prices, but right here, you're going to see the people who need your services, and instead, you're going to select any of them, just like what you see right here. British audio book narrator for 𝐷𝐿𝐒. Okay, male and female voice long term. They are looking for a permanent, for someone who work with them for a long term. It can be 1 year, it can be 2 years, it can be 10 years. So they are contracting you for that. And the amazing thing is you're also going to see the reviews and also how much they've been able to pay workers or creators on this platform. Now, right here, we have the review 4.6, we have $200,000. So they've been able to employ people and pay them this amount. And this platform, or the person seeking for a reader or for somebody to read and earn, is actually in the United Kingdom. So we are back right here. Like I said, this person has been able to pay over $200,000 to freelancers on this platform. Now let's go below and search for another one. We have professional audiobook production, narrator plus 2 voice actors, light and music. Okay, then below here, payments verified. They have $70 spent, and this one is in the United Arab Emirates. Now, if I want to search for someone to work with, I don't think I will want to use this person because I am not really sure after carrying out the job, after reading or proofreading, they are going to pay me, because their payment spent on this platform since they started looking for freelancers right here is just $70, which means it might be a risky adventure. Now below here, let's look at this one, full-time audio production specialist. So if you scroll below right here to check on their payments, they have a 5-star, they have $3,000 spent on their freelancers. And if you scroll below, let's just take another example. Below here, we still have voice actor, calm, dark, grounded, narration, psychology channel, and below here, they have spent nothing. This is in the United States. So if you are here to read and earn money, when you scroll through Upwork, make sure that you pick an employer that has spent a lot of money on this platform. That simply means that you're going to be getting jobs, and also you are sure to get your earnings. Like I said, Upwork is actually a little bit upgraded from Fiverr, because Fiverr, you have to create your account, set your payment, and wait for someone to approach you. But right here, it's the other way around. You are actually approaching these employers. And what do you do on Upwork? You would read their books, and you can also proofread to be able to earn money. So some of these people are writers, big writers. They need someone to go through their books. When they want to publish it, they just want to have people, your opinion about the books and all that. And when you do that, you would earn. So all you have to do is to click on this. When you've decided on who you want to use, you click on it, and then your details. When you create your account on this platform, you already have your details there, your CV and every other thing. So when you click on it, you will just click right here on apply. And when they approve you, you can start earning money by the day. Now, if you're still here and you haven't clicked on that like, my darlings, what are you waiting for? Please click on the like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell. And before we go to the fourth, I have a special gift for all the Gen Zs that are on this platform. Now, if you're a Gen Z, go to the comment section and type it right there, Gen Z, so that I will know that you guys are here and watching me. When I know that the next video coming after this will be specially for you guys, depending on how many of you comment on the comment section. Guys, this is money that the Gen Zs can make, earn from the online space before the end of December. So you can make a little Christmas money for yourself if you're a Gen Z. Let me know on the comment section, and please do engage with your comments, your likes, and your subscription. All this is helping my channel to grow. It's also helping me to make the money, right? Because we make the money from you guys supporting, watching, liking, commenting, and doing everything that you do for me. Thank you all so very much. And Gen Zs, I'm waiting for you guys right there. Now, my darlings, to the fourth website that you can read and earn money is Booklist. I especially love this one, so I'm not going to tell you guys about this, but I just want you guys to see the magic right here. Now, here is Booklist. You can actually review right here. They have a magazine, they have webinar and medias, they have their Booklist blog, they have newsletter, they have resources and more. My darlings, there are amazing books right here that all you need to do is to read and also to give a synopsis about these books. Now, you go through a book, it might be 20 pages, it might be 50 pages, whatever it is. When you go through it, you're supposed to give a synopsis of what the book is all about. Now, take a look at the books we have right here. We have Introducing Mrs. Collins by Rachel Paris. All right, this is the book right here. You can click on it and you read and you give your review about it or the synopsis about the book, and you earn. November 2025 book list. I mean, there are amazing books right here. So for all of you, the book lovers, those of you who want to read, you love reading, this is a great side hustle for you, where you could take your time, enjoy the books, because they are all for free. These are still books they want to publish, but they are looking for people to proofread it and tell them the mistakes and give synopses that can actually help them promote their books. Well, on this particular platform, a review on a book, you're going to earn $15. Yes, I know, just calm down. I know it's not a lot, but remember, this is just a side hustle, and you're enjoying the book, the knowledge in the book, while you are also making money. Of course, this is not going to buy you the Benz you want to get, okay, but it's going to buy you some other things and pay some bills for you. So you can take your time, create your account right here, and remember, make your profile attractive. Don't just create any kind of profile on this platform. There is a lot of money to be made here, but it all depends on how you present yourself. So just look at the amazing books we have right here. All my book lovers, love you all. Start making the money from Blacklist and let me know on the comment section how this is going for you. When you create your account, you start making, let me know. And I know some of you will be like, Claudia, I want detailed videos on how to create the account, on really how I'm going to make the money, how I'm going to withdraw my money, on all that. If that is what is in your mind or on your mind right now, let me know on the comment section. You know your girl. I'm going to be back right here with an amazing video for you. But be specific with the particular website you want me to talk about. And don't forget, my Gen Z lovers, go to the comment section and say Gen Z so that I should give you that special Christmas gift. Now, the next platform that you can actually read and make money is BookBrowse. How many of you have heard about BookBrowsers? For my book lovers, because I know most of you on this platform, you're about the TikTok and all the happy life. Just few of you are into reading, but if you want to make some, side income, then this is the way to go. Now, discover exceptional books, classic view right here. Okay, you can join, you can actually give gifts, and you can be a member to log in. And right here, you can learn more about this platform. Please, my darlings, each time you go on any of the platforms I share with you on this channel, make sure you take your time, read the pros and the cons. Yes, I always bring you first-hand information. I always do the background checks and the works, but you have to do your own too. So you will be 100% confident when you start making money. Don't waste your time, create an account, and then you're not comfortable with the platform. Now, these are some books right here. Editor's Choice. We have this one right here. If you scroll below, you would see other amazing books that you can also read and earn money. And the amazing thing about this platform is, if you're not really a book lover, if you're not someone who actually takes your time to read, to understand, to absorb everything in the book, then do not come to BookBrowse, because you would need to give a synopsis or details about this book with up to 600 words. For Booklist, you have 150 words, right? But right here, 600. And they're going to scrutinize what you give to be able to pay your money. But one book, when you review one book, you would earn up to $50. So there is a lot of money to be made here. But if you are one of those people that don't really take your time to read and understand a book, then keep away from BookBrowse. All right, so take your time, create your account, make it attractive as possible. If you do not know how to create your account, let me also know on the comment section. Go drop a comment right there, and I will do a special video, even a live stream with you, showing you how you can do a professional account for yourself on any of these platforms. Love you all so much. Thank you for watching this video up till the end, and I wish you all the best this 2025. We're getting to the end of 2025. I hope you have used any of the videos I've dropped on this platform to earn money. If not, let me know what is stopping you on the comment section, and I'm going to help you start. Remember, I'll always be here to help you wherever you fall short. You can send me an email. You can go to any of my social media accounts and you send me a DM, or you can go below on the comment section. I'm going to drop my WhatsApp channel right there, Telegram channel, Instagram channel. Join us and you can talk to me one-on-one on what is stopping you from making money on the online space, when Claudia Fonguh TV has over 300 videos on different methods to make money from the online space without investment. I mean, almost zero investment. Amazing, right? Love you all and see you on our next video. Bye.